Hi Anuja, how are you?
Hi, Julie. I'm good. So,
Welcome to Talent Talkies.
thank you so much. Thanks for organizing something like this during the lockdown and trying to motivate the young people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we want you to introduce yourself first. Anuja, what do you do?
Okay. So, I am a landscapist, a bonsai artist, and a plant stylist. I have my company. It's called the Dragonfly Farm, and it's a landscaping company. We have our own range of garden accessories, and we have our bonsais, plants. We have we have plant display stands, planters, and we conduct a lot of workshops pertaining to gardening and farming.
When you say plant stylist, that's something which is a new concept. So we actually would want to talk about that more here. So can you throw some light on that?
Yes. So when I say I'm a plant stylist, what I do is you see normally when you're working indoors and when interior designers they take plants and they just keep plants, they just pick up random plants, they just pick up plants and then they do it. When a plant stylist is included, we know what plants will work where in which part of the house, how we can do a combination of plants in just one tray, so it's like a landscaped presentation. It is basically giving it a much better appearance, but it also thrives in the condition which we put them in, so that is where a styling comes in.
All right. Very interesting. So tell us when you started your journey, what are the challenges you faced?
Okay, so I started the company about 2.5 years ago. So my past is that I was a sports person. In my teens, I was a diver. I was a highboard and springboard diver. I was a national champion, and I trained in London with the British Olympic team for 3 years. Then I was an air hostess for almost 10 years. I lived in Bombay and I worked with Air India for the international airline.
Okay.
So then I got married and I came to Ahmedabad and I did farming. I did organic farming for nearly 18 years. So my role and my profession has changed over the period of time. And I was always fond of landscaping and styling and design. And that is how Dragonfly Farm was formed.
Okay.
So initially, I would say there were really no challenges, and I feel when you change your passion into profession, you actually overcome all the possible challenges, because I'm not even thinking of anything as a challenge. Even the current situation, I'm not thinking that it's a challenge. I'm going to look at it how the current situation can be changed into a better way for all professions.
So tell us, what is your one advice to women and girls who want to pursue this profession?
All those who are interested in plants, who like plants, there is so much scope in this field because there are not too many landscapists in the country right now. And again, if you're going to do something like plant styling, you're going to do decor with plants. These are fields which are absolutely new, untouched, and there are very few professionals in this. So there is a lot of scope.
That's exactly what we are talking about here at Talent Talkies. We're talking about new age business and career opportunities. So I think this is a fantastic way if you love plants to start your new career. All right, now Anuja, we are going to get into your personal space a little. You already mentioned that you have been an air hostess international for Air India, so you traveled the world. So now, do you enjoy traveling?
I love traveling. I've always loved traveling, and I feel traveling teaches you so much. When you go to different countries, you meet different people. You learn about different cultures. You learn how people live and how different countries function. And you always learn from traveling. And you, as a person, how you can imbibe what you see, what are the new things that you see, how you can incorporate that into your personal life. I mean, I've always enjoyed traveling, and I feel I learn even now when I travel. It's always it always teaches me something. I always come back a richer person, I would say.
Fantastic. So, being a gardener, we want to talk about your style, because we had various people on this space who are creative. So, I think yours would, area of interest would fall within the creativity. So, what's your personal style?
So my personal style is usually with plants. What I do is I use a lot of local plants in my design, and I like a little bit of culture. So I use a lot of vintage brassware, which is local stuff, and I like to revive antiques. They may not necessarily be antiques, but things which have been used in the past in a home. When I'm doing a place for someone, I like it to be an impression or a feeling of the people whose houses I'm designing.
Okay.
And so I'd like to incorporate that. Then my personal style would be more of contemporary, I would say. A lot of plants, lot of antiques, and a lot of modern stuff. So it's something very typical me.
So that's, I mean, that is something I do. That's my passion when I talk about it. That, by sustainability and using the things which has been maybe lying in a clutter, and create something out of it. Okay, so now, while you're walking into your garden, we will talk about your future plans as well. And if you
Shall I
want,
just flip
you should
the
just flip a
camera?
little and you
Yeah.
continue talking about your future plans.
Okay. Yeah, there you go. So what
Oh,
happens
that's
is you see the
beautiful.
garden. Yeah, these are my lovely giraffes, the African giraffes. It's an
Very
installation
interesting.
made by an artist.
Okay.
So I'll just walk you through my garden. So the future plan as of now is I want to introduce more and more workshops. I want to try and teach as many people and want as many people to get involved with gardening. And not just gardening, because I have a background of farming. And that is exactly what I wanted to do this summer, introduce workshops for farming so that people who have smaller spaces and they can have a balcony kitchen garden. And besides, if they have smaller space, why waste it just for plants? You can start growing your own food. For us, at a time like this, we have a lot of fruits and vegetables which are either at this farm or at our other farm. So we are just living, and all the people who stay with me, my staff and my family, they can live off this food. And it is very important right now that all of us start growing and try to use everything local so that we reduce the carbon footprint. After the current situation, that I'm going back to my farming part, I'm going to try and teach as many people to do gardening, to introduce plants.
Thank you for being here, and thank you for your time. We will keep in touch, and we'll definitely do some mentoring sessions for these women eventually.
Sure,
Thank you, Anu.
sure. Thank you so much. Thanks. Bye, Julie.
Bye bye.